The basic function of sandblast is to clean, polish and remove burrs to improve the finish of the surface. 3 of the abrasive blast surfaces are plastic, stainless steel and glass. What is the role of these 3 abrasive? Plastic, it is an artificial abrasive. The material is nylon, the shape of cylindrical, square and spherical, microparticles, particles uniform, anti-static, tough and wear-resistant. The color is mainly red and milky gray, soft and weak, with a certain toughness, low machinability, will not have the surface of the workpiece. The ball is less harmful to the workpiece and can be used for a long time and reduce production cost. It is mainly used for cleaning burrs and spillage on the surface, whole and concave of plastic, bakelist, resin and other products. The appearance of stainless steel is angular particles with quarter sand, petroleum coke, witches and other rare materials in the resistant furnace. By high temperature smelting, its hardness between corundum and diamond. Mechanical strength is higher than corundum. Its hardness is very large. High temperature resistance can remove surface rust, carbon or welding flame, etc. to solve the edge of passbar, the rational wear marks. As an abrasive, it can be used as an abrasive tool, such as a grinding wheel, a grinding head, sand tie, etc. Can also do hardware, glass, jeans, jade, and other polishing and grinding. Glass is a Murphy elongated, non-metallic material. The appearance is irregular granular, divided into color and transparent color, high transparency. Used as a sandblast material can improve the compressive property of glass, enhance the hardness of the material, and improve the wear resistance, efficiently clean surface and increase roughness for coating, bonding and sparing. It can be used as an abrasive for grinding, polishing, and finishing. It can be used in the pressing of metals, ceramics, glass, and other materials to improve surface quality and dimensional accuracy. The function of each abrasive is different, and it is selected according to its own needs.